Hi, I'm Michelle Strong, and today I want to share a community in Murfreesboro that may really appeal to people who are ready for a simpler, easier lifestyle. It's called the Courtyards at Franklin Road. If you've been thinking about downsizing, or maybe you just don't want the upkeep of a large home anymore, this community is definitely one to have on your radar. What I like about the Courtyards at Franklin Road is that it seems to be designed for the way a lot of people want to live today. The homes offer main level living, open floor plans, and private courtyards space, which could be a great combination if you still want comfort and room to spread out, but without feeling like you have too much house to manage. A lot of buyers I talk to are looking for that sweet spot. They don't necessarily want to go tiny, but they don't want something more manageable and convenient, less work. And that's where a community like this can really make sense for you. The homes come in a variety of floor plans, so you may find options with enough space for guests or for hobbies, just something where you can just feel like you can breathe and just turn the key, lock up, go on vacations, visit grandkids. A community like this gives you that freedom for that. And of course, the Murfreesboro location is a big plus too. If you want to be close to everyday conveniences like shopping, dining, medical offices, and everything else that makes today's life easier, this is the community that you want to look at. If you're over 55 or not, then definitely visit this community. Overall, if you're looking for a home that feels a little more like a lifestyle focus with a lot less overwhelmingness to it, then the Courtyards at Franklin Road would be worth a closer look. If you have questions about this community or you'd like to compare it with others in Murfreesboro or any of the surrounding areas, I'd be happy to help. I'm Michelle Strong. I'm here to help you with your next move and make it easier and turnkey. If you're starting to think about your next chapter and you want a home that fits your lifestyle you have now, not the one you had 20 years ago, let's have a talk. Bye now, and thanks for watching.